Thank you, President. Yes, certainly fundamental rights are being challenged all across Europe. Democracy, human rights, dialogue, they're all being challenged. And yes, also in the Kingdom of Spain. Now, the question is, how can we be so strict with those applying to enter the Union and not so strict with member states? We're giving the wrong message. We're asking those outside something which we might not be asking those inside. So I ask my fellow European citizens. I am a Catalan citizen. I'm also a European citizen like you. And I ask you, did you see the police crackdown on peaceful voters on October 2017 in Catalonia? Did you see a government like your own government's being suspended and direct rule being imposed? Did you see this government in jail and sitting in jail for more than 1 year now, accused of organising a vote? Now, what kind of crime is it? In fact, it was erased from the Spanish Code of Law in 2005. So it's no longer considered such a crime. That's not preserving the rule of law. Have you seen singers being persecuted? Freedom of expression also being curtailed with a gag law in Spain? Too many red lines have been crossed. The Council of Europe is following on this. And I ask you, can you remain silent? We're fellow citizens. We share fundamental values, fundamental rights. We're all Europeans. Let's share those values. We will uphold them, and we will continue to do so. But please, get into our shoes. We ask you to feel like we feel. We ask you to feel Catalan. We ask you to be Catalan. We ask you to act Catalan. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.